Today I'm putting a hitch on the back of a golf cart. Back bracket is off. I'm gonna clean this off, and then I'm just gonna run a piece of 1x2 across here and then gusset and weld a combo tube into that. Come on off. Driver's side's done. Outside, 25 and 5/8. 25 and 5/8. All right, 1x2's cut. Outside, inside, it is relatively square, but I do need to make sure it's 90. It's the first time I've had sun on me in a couple weeks while working. I'm not used to sweating. 1x2's cut correctly. I got some gussets that I need to put underneath. Trim them down a little bit. I got my digital level. I'm gonna go off a 90 here because this is 90 to the main frame. Zero it out. Okay, we're at 0, and then I can tack that right there. Cool. Get this in without having to worry about the back piece being installed. Okay, perfect. I can get it in. This back piece is perfectly 90 degrees. I don't have to tack and bend anything. 0.3, close enough for a hitch on a EZGO golf cart. Put the combo tube there, and then gusset the back of it. All right, terminals are off the battery. Two and a half, inch and a quarter. I think we put it back further than anticipated. The further I go back here, the less it's gonna rock. In 11 and 5/8, 11 and 5/8. Gussets are going in. Perfect. All right, everything's tacked on. Let's get this welded out. I'm gonna weld some tabs to hold the plastic piece in. Little tabs for the plastic are in. I need to paint it black. Do a little heavy duty hitch install test. Oh yeah, awesome. Clean up, let it dry, put all the accessories back on. Power, ground. Positive is on. Negative is on. Whoa, whoa, whoa.